How to add YouTube Music Bot to Discord server. The first thing you want to do is select the drop-down arrow in the top left corner of your server and then go to the app directory. In the search bar, type Greenbot and press enter. Select the first option and then click Add App on the right. Make sure it's being added to the correct server, then click Continue. Scroll down on this page and select Authorize. Once it's been added, go back to your server, join one of your voice channels, since that's where you'll be using the bot, and check the instructions provided on how to play music. If you need help with the commands, simply type Help. To start, join a voice channel and select the chat icon in the top right corner to show chat. Then select View All the Commands, which will show you a list of details on how to use the bot. To start playing music right away, type Play and input the song name or paste a link to a playlist you want to play. The bot will automatically search for the song and it should start playing. You'll also see different options to customize your music experience. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.